everyone, I'm Kath and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe down below and please don't forget to click on bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko. So for today's video guys, I don't know how to start this video. It's been really quite a while since I did a vlog or a video like this and I don't know when was the last time. So I hope this will be the start of a new chapter here on my channel. I really hope so. So going back for today's video guys, meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo. Yeah, it's something from Goodness Nutrition. Yeah, it's their collagen gummies and glutagummies. So siguro yung mga iba sa inyo is very familiar na with this product or yung mga iba sa inyo is gumagamit na din ng products na to from Goodness Nutrition just like me. So if you do, please don't forget to comment down below kung ano yung na-experience ninyo about this product so we can share our experiences about the products of Goodness Nutrition. So, share ko lang sa inyo guys, before kasi, bago ako gumamit ng collagen gummies and glutagummies from Goodness Nutrition, very dry ng skin ko. Ang dami kong mga skin rashes, mga bumps on my arms, uneven yung skin tone ko, and yung hair ko, super dry talaga as in. At yung hair fall ko, sobra talaga guys. Lalo na after taking a bath, talagang sobra yung hair fall ko. So, dun ako na-alarm. Parang, feeling ko I need to do something about this. Kasi, yeah, we should really take care of our skin, diba? Kasi, we're getting older. Yeah, so we really need to take care of our skin. And we really have to find something that will help us to take care of our skin. And yun nga, nakita ko si collagen gummies and glutagummies sa Facebook. So, it's from Goodness Nutrition. So, visit ko talaga yung site nila. And doon ko nakita yung kanilang mga products. And doon talaga ako nag-focus sa collagen gummies and glutagummies. Kasi yun talaga yung kailangan ko from that time. So, nakita ko yung mga ingredients niya and everything about their collagen gummies and glutagummies. And na-amaze ako kasi parang feeling ko, so I think this will be the product that I'm looking for. So, yun nga, nag-try ako from their collagen gummies and sobrang na-amaze ako kasi parang ilang days pa lang noon na gumamit ako is parang nakakakitaan ko na talaga siya ng amazing effect. Like, nagkakaroon na ako ng clear skin, nawawala na yung mga rashes little by little, nawawala na sila, and then parang nagpa-plump yung skin ko. Like, parang kahit hindi ako nag-lotion, nakikita ko na glowing and moisturize yung skin ko. And lalo na naman with my hair. Yan, nawawala na yung hair fall kahit na after taking a bath, talagang susuklayin ko yung hair ko. Wala na talaga akong hair fall. And napapansin ko rin na yung hair ko talaga is getting softer.
Oh my
God!
God!
Softer. Ayan, and silky. So, talaga ako sobrang na-amaze with this product. So, yun yung gusto ko i-share sa inyo guys. Just in case na meron din kayong mga skin problems just like me. And nangangailangan na talaga kayo ng product na makakatulong sa inyo. So, yeah, I highly recommend this product. But, yeah, disclaimer lang kasi, yun, magkaiba naman tayo ng mga skin type. So, this product may be working on me and hindi siya mag-work sa inyo. So, may mga products din naman na nag-work sa inyo na hindi rin naman sa akin. Kasi we all have different skin types. So, of course, buy at your own risk. Ayan. But for me, sobrang na-amaze talaga ako with this product from Goodness Nutrition. So, yeah, I'm talking about this Glow Goodies Collagen Gummies from Goodness Nutrition. Ito siya guys, promotes skin glow and anti-aging effect. Nire-repair niya yung skin natin and it strengthens the skin barrier para ma-avoid natin yung mga skin problems just like my skin problems before. So, ayan, sobrang na-amaze ako with this gummies. Ayan siya guys. So, paubos na rin yung isa. So, talagang magto 2 months na talaga ako with this product. And ayan siya. So, this is the gummies. Ayan siya. O, diba? Napaka-pinkish niya. And very soft. Very chewable talaga siya. So, this contains 1,000 milligrams of hydrolyzed marine collagen. And yung taste niya talaga guys, it's very sweet and meron siyang fruity aroma. So, talagang ma-enjoy nyo talaga yung collagen gummies ninyo with this Glow Goodies Collagen Gummies. And yeah, meron siyang 60 gummies. So, good for 1 month na din to kasi iti-take nyo siya twice a day. So, you can take it in 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Or pwede nyo siyang pagsabayin in the morning or in the evening. So, it depends on how would you like to take this gummies. But for me, ginagawa ko guys, in the morning talaga, I take 2 gummies. So, yun na lang. Kasi minsan kasi, pagkagabi, inaantok na ako. So, medyo nakakalimutan ko na mag-take. Or para make sure na dalawa talaga yung naiinom ko. In a day, talagang I'm taking it in the morning. 2 gummies in the morning. So, yun. Ganun ako mag-take ng collagen gummies. And this contains hydrolyzed marine collagen, which supports our skin elasticity and firmness while improving its hydration and texture. So, yung mga ingredients niya guys, meron siyang biotin, vitamin C, hydrolyzed collagen, meron din siyang purple carrot juice, and selenium. So, yun talaga yung biotin, yun talaga yung nagbibigay sa atin ng silky and smooth hair, stronger nails. So, ayan, mawawala talaga yung mga hair fall natin. So, sobrang na-amaze talaga ako with this product. Kasi sobrang napakaganda ng effect niya sa akin. Ito yung mga na-take ko na from Goodies Nutrition. So, ayan nga, paubos na yung isa wala na talaga. And nag-try din ako ng kanilang Glam Goodies Glutathione Gummies. Sobrang ganda din nito guys. Talagang, pagka tinake nyo itong dalawang to, talagang sobrang powerful talaga ng effect. Sobrang amazing talaga. Kasi this one, nagpapa-whiten siya ng skin. Nag-even out siya ng skin natin. And this one naman is, alam mo yun, para magkaroon tayo ng glowing skin, mawala yung mga skin dryness natin, fine lines and wrinkles, kasi as we age nga, diba, talagang may experience natin yung mga yun. But by taking this, talagang na-prevent niya yung mga signs of aging natin. So, sobrang amazing talaga ng products na to from Goodies Nutrition, lalo na yung kanilang glutathione gummies. Pero mas gusto kong, naubos ko na to guys, and hindi pa ako nakabili kasi nagfo-focus talaga ako sa kanilang collagen gummies kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng effect sa akin ito. Ito yung una kong tinake and talagang ang daming nagbago, like from my hair to my nails, and of course my skin texture, yun nga. Sobrang dami kong mga bumps and rashes, and talagang nawala talaga sila totally. Naging smooth yung skin ko, naging firm, and parang moisturize siya kahit hindi ka gumamit ng lotion, mafe-feel mo talaga. So, sobrang na-amaze talaga ako with this product. So, I highly recommend this. So, guys, kung gusto niyo mag-try ng collagen gummies from Goodies Nutrition, pumunta lang kayo sa kanilang site at doon talaga kayo makakabili ng original na Glow Goodies collagen gummies. So, doon lang kayo. So, pumunta lang kayo sa Google, type nyo lang Glow Goodies collagen gummies, and nalalabas na yung mga and pwede nyo rin silang mabili online, Shopee and Lazada or any online store. So, available din sila. Pero ako, I prefer to buy their products sa kanilang site mismo. So, for 573 pesos, sobrang achieve mo na talaga yung glowing skin, diba? So, it's really worth it. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching this video. And I hope na nakatulong ako sa inyo. And hope to see you on my next video. Bye!